This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up iDRAC. First, ensure your Dell server is powered on and connected to a network. During the server's boot process, look for the iDRAC configuration prompt, usually by pressing F2 or F10. This allows you to enter the initial setup utility. We'll cover the essential steps to get your remote management interface up and running smoothly, ensuring you can access your server from anywhere. Once in the iDRAC setup, the first critical step is to change the default password for the root user. Always choose a strong, unique password for security. Next, navigate to the network settings. Here, you'll decide whether to use a static IP address or obtain one automatically via DHCP. For most permanent server installations, a static IP is recommended for consistent access. If you opt for a static IP, carefully enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. These details are crucial for network communication. After network setup, consider creating additional user accounts with appropriate permissions. This enhances security and allows for role-based access. Finally, enable essential services like the Virtual Console or SSH, depending on your remote management needs. To maximize your iDRAC potential, always keep its firmware updated. This ensures you have the latest features and security patches. Setting up email alerts is also highly recommended. You'll receive notifications for critical system events, like fan failures or power supply issues, keeping you informed. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, please see the links in the description below. We appreciate your support and hope this guide helps you master iDRAC setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.